You? Where are we going?
Indoor park.
Yeah. So ayun mga par, nalakad kami. Ngayong umaga, punta kami ng indoor park. So samahan nyo kami mga par. Uy, ano yan? Pupuk-puk. Nyo, press it please. Press na, nandiyan na eh. So, pupunta kami ng indoor park ngayon mga parno. So, walking lang. Hindi, first time din namin, may dala lang kaming baon. Para lang, naka-snack lang to mga parno. Tingnan namin kung ano meron doon. So, yun, samahan nyo kami mga par. Sama pala namin sila Brother McNeil, no? Tsaka yung mga anak din niya. O kaya sinama namin si Inday. Misis din kasama. Para ma-exercise din. Let's go. Dali. Hindi kasi yung
Where are they?
outside. Laptop. Move. Lamig, wala pang
Where did they park?
outside.
Parang it's so cold. The more they shoot inside.
Eh, hindi naman tayo sa labas eh. Dito lang, sasakay naman tayo ng car. And then we have like go indoor. Oh, dito na sila. Hindi naman cold. Yeah. Let's go. Hindi nga. Hindi naman tayo, ano? Hello! Hello! Good morning! Okay. Hey.
There's
Yeah.
some mud also.
Mud.
Oh my goodness, it's so cold.
It's not cold. Tabi dyan.
Hello.
Ah! Yun nga. Kasang-kasa si Mike. Let's go. Ay, tudaan to. Ay, si ano pala? Si Macy pala.
Macy's stuck.
Yeah. So yun mga par, dito na kami. And first time pala namin lahat dito. Tignan namin. Free daw mga par eh. So tignan natin. Sa ano pala to? Sa Canadian Sport Institute, University of Toronto. Ha? May mga ano raw rito, magre-register lang daw mga par. So tignan natin kung talagang free ba talaga. Kung pwede ba talaga kami.
I don't know.
Kung hindi, di hanap kaming iba.
You just
May mga bata sa likod.
no. I kept buying because I kept dropping it. That's so dumb. And also in
Malaki siya mga pare. No? Gandun. Toronto Pan Am. Yan. Ito yun mga par. Oh, may basketball din. May kompleto raw rito eh. Basketball din. University of Toronto. Ayan. Oh, pool.
They're
Oh,
gonna
malaki
jump.
ah.
They're gonna jump.
Oh, meron silang ano.
Oh look! They're gonna jump off.
Meron talaga silang ano. Laki ng Olympic size eh. Ayan mga paro, Olympic size na ano, swimming pool. Pang ano talaga, pang ang tawag dito? Ano talaga? Sali ka ng mga tournament. Ganda. Ang dami pang mga upuan. Ano pa doon? Dito pala yung mga Olympians nila. Oh.
That's you. I don't have fun here. My mom wasn't afraid to go to the beach.
Hurry up. Lawak pala dito sa loob. Ha? Oo. Ito pala. Yan, pwede maglakad-lakad. Basket yun. Ano, ikot-ikot lang.
Tito, is there a playground?
Playground?
Nope, I don't think so. I have to do it.
There's no playground. There's a like hyena here.
What? There's a hyena? I'm not going in that pool.
No, I'm joking.
I'm not going in there. Then you have 4.
So yan mga par, hindi kami naka ano, doon sa
You have enough.
Pan Am. Dahil ano, 7 to 11 lang pala mga par, no? Kung pupunta kayo doon, dapat umaga. 7 to 11 lang. Pag hindi, wala ka ng card or hindi ka nag-aaral doon, hindi ka na makapasok. Kaya yan. Dito na lang kami sa Morningside Park. Lapit lang siya rito mga par. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Ayan. Maganda rin naman oh. Meron ding ano, bridge. Sa ano rin mga park, maraming paradahan ito. Yung likod ko, pwede ka mag-park. And then lakad-lakad na kayo rito. Ayun. Pwede. Ah. Ano, may ano oh.
Let's go.
Ito yung mga picnic sa
Picnic ano.
dito at least may naglinis.
Oo. Ito pa.
Puro puti.
Look at the water park.
Water din. Hindi lang, hindi ka naka-snow pants or boots.
Ayan.
You have a boots na.
Medyo makapal yung ano. Yeah,
Here.
Here.
dito na lang.
There? Yeah.
Oh, follow the ano.
Follow the trail.
Yeah.
Follow the path. Oh, there's snow in my shoes.
Oh, puro puti.
Oh,
Pag ano pala bro, pwede ka mag-ano rito no? Picnic.
Barbecue ni Brother Alvin.
Ah,
Alala ko dyan sa puno na yan.
saan? Ah, ito. So hindi bawal mag-ano dito, ihaw-ihaw? Walang tubig yan? Malawak din parang Thompson Park din to.
I'm gonna eat it. No. No, look, what do you have? Can I use your black? Can I use your black gloves? I didn't have. No.
Dahil mababasa yung paa mo.
No, I don't care. No, I don't care. Yes, here. No, no, over there. Here. Oh, this is solid. Solid? I can step. Oh, mother. Never mind. Never mind.
Yeah.
Sana yung paa mo.
Dito lang tayo, dito lang.
Dito lang na. Malalim eh.
Tignan natin yung coyote.
Let's go.
No! Let's hunt coyotes. No, why don't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
You can like pet the coyote.
Ew.
Ew.
Alala ko dito kami nag-barbecue ni Brother Alden.
Dito.
Tapos ang daming naglalaro ng ano dito.
Dito, lawak eh, no?
Volleyball, may naglalaro.
Oh. Lawak dito. Maganda rin pala itong Morningside Park dito.
I'm so
Hindi mo lang bro kung nakasara na naman baka
Ha?
pag nakasara na naman eh. Tagal.
Tagilito. Tagilito na.
Sinabi ko na sa kanya I see the sign but I see the truck on that side so I just keep going. Sabi ko sa kanya. Medyo okay naman ang weather. Pag naglalakad.
Oh.
I go.
What? Wow! You're so fast! Micah, you're so fast! Are you an athlete?
No.
Oh.
I'm a good runner.
Oh, ha! This is the coyote tracks. No? Oh, yun pala, may ihawan ah. Hindi talaga bawal pala ito. May nakaano. May ano na ihawan ah. So ano lang dito bro, paunahan ng kuha ng spot. Mas maganda pala rito. Kasi sa Thompson Park, bawal eh. Pero may nag-iihaw, pero
Pero saka ano doon, mas maliit lang.
maliit. Ito malaki oh.
Ito malaki ito dyan. Yung mo.
Hanggang doon oh. Maganda pala to sa summer.
Okay, I don't want to go further. I don't want to go.
Ayan, mo. Dito lang oh.
Dad, I'm just going to ship inside the jacket.
Hindi naman malamig eh. Picnic ano to eh. Picnic area, Inday. Yeah.
Oh my.
Wala na oh, wala na ano. Ayan. Ganda. Ayan, malawak. Ayan, may daming ihaw ano.
Michael's running.
Ayan, picnic area number 1. So ibig sabihin may number 2 pa to.
Hey, there's a coyote. Coyote. Fuck.
Feels. Oh wait. Well, is
Lawak.
lost in the forest.
Ito po.
You think you're lost in the forest? Girl, Watch Stranger Things. It has cuss words, but don't say it.
Oh, mayroon pa sa taas.
But don't say it. Just watch it, not say it.
Oh, ano?
Legacy.
Sige, kapal.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
what?
Aso yan.
Ano yan, inay?
Oh. Okay, never mind. He got harassed by a dog.
Harassed by a dog?
Dog really knocked off his forehead. How? What happened if you put it on there? No, it will cool down, it will freeze. It will actually freeze. If you splash the water, hot boiling water, it will turn into heat. Girl, don't push me. What? Wow. Feels like there's gonna be a tree appearing, and it needs to be upside down with Stranger Things. I would go there. Probably this is good.
Ito na lang, may naglalakad na rito. Ano na? Ikaw.
Oh, this is hi tree. Happy birthday, Tree Wilson. That's the name. Wilson? What? Whose name? Whose last name is Wilson? Tree designer Wilson, and his last name is.
Sa puno.
No, his middle name is Maddie.
Ah.
Tree Maddie Wilson.
Ganda rin siguro pag ano dito kami na pag
Girl.
summer, no? Green ang ano nito. Tapos.
Oh, there's snow in my shoes. Ow. Oh my. Okay, they're melting.
Ayun. Dito na kami para sa kalsada. Sa kami doon sa dang ano, snow. So ayun, pauwi na kami. Lalakad na kami. Balik sa parking.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Ganda. Maganda rito sa summer. Balik kami rito.
I like Easter.
Uy,
Me
ano ba yun, Day? Go.
Imagine it's very slippery. Instead of finding the Easter eggs, let's find all 66 Bibles. 66 all around the church. Even my Bible. Yeah, our church. Okay, not the Indians. I know. Okay, stop. Okay, don't grab me. I'm so tired. I'm not. Wait, I'm a baby.
Oy, careful in, Day. Oh. Oh. What Macy?
Boo.
Oh. Macy, let's go. Let's go, Macy, because I'm hungry.
Ow. electric scooter here, I would be spinning around.
Oh, yeah?
He's so shy.